How to return a transaction or how to simply create a dispute with Capitec application on your device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you this thing, that how you can reverse a transaction on your Capitec app. As I don't have an active Capitec bank account, I will show you the process from the official website, that how you can do it. How to dispute or debit order, or how to reverse your money. So for this, what you have to do is simply click on the application and install it. Open it on your device. Then you have to click on the transact option and then choose debit orders from there. On this menu, you have to enter your secret remote pin to sign into your account. Then choose a debit order from the history menu. Now choose the reason of the dispute, why you want to reverse the transaction. Then accept the agreement. Then your transaction will be reversed right away. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.